Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundra for all those who are new here, and if you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe. Like the video already, please. It helps my algorithm. And for today's video, I thought I'll do like a monthly favorites, and I want to start this series. I have always been looking at this series, and it's like a good thing to have that series. You just understand what products you've been using, what is working for you, what is not working for you. So I thought I'll start this series. And this is not only for products, it's like monthly favorite on movies, on songs, on moments, and everything together. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with beauty product that I've been loving. I've been using it since what, about 10-15 days. So these are two lipsticks from Smashbox. One is the Gulabe, like the nude one, and the red one is called Boss. And these lipsticks are love. I'm wearing Gulabe on my lips right now, and these are so good. So this one you can have like for everything, for your office, for your brunches, for everything. And if you want to glam this up, you can wear the Boss shade and you're good to go. So these are absolute favorites. These come for about $9.99. These are the Smashbox minis and they're available on Nykaa and they are on some offer. So they're for $9.99. So if you're a beginner, it's good to go. For skincare, I have one product and one like a lifestyle sort of an update that I want to give. So the product that I have is the Mamaearth's Micellar Water. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen me use this product like multiple times. If you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. So if you're following me on Instagram, you know I've been using this product, and this comes with like a silicone brush here, and you can just put press, the foam comes out, put it on your face, your makeup melts, and you're good to go. And it smells good, so it works. The only thing that I've not tried with this is if this works on mascara or not, but apart from that, it works on red lipsticks, it works on matte lipsticks. It leaves like, so this silicone brush definitely gets stained, but like otherwise it doesn't. So good product. The next lifestyle update that I wanted to give you. So I used to use cotton pads before to remove my makeup, and I know those are not very eco-friendly and everything. So I got this microfiber cloth from Amazon. I've been using this since. So I use the Bioderma micellar water on this, and you can use any micellar water. I prefer Bioderma because I have sensitive skin, and if you see very closely, it leaves like a little stain, which is not very clearly visible also, but it leaves little stains of the makeup on the cloth. But if you wash it, you're good to go. So doesn't really matter, and it's soft on the skin. It's very soft. I got it on Amazon. It's pretty affordable, about like for 150 something. I'll link all the products in the description below so you can go and check them out. This is a good update. I am not using the throwable cotton pads anymore. Okay, for hair care. So a lot of you keep asking me about my hair care routine, and yeah, my hair has grown quite a lot. And the products that I swear by since the last 2.5 months, I think I'll insert the Instagram like the review that I did here. So those are the Bare Anatomies shampoo and conditioner. So I'll tell you something about the website. So this website gives you like a survey. So whatever hair care problems you have, you can fill it in that survey. And basis that, it gives you some products to use. You can choose your bottle, you can choose your fragrance, you can choose the shampoo color. And because I have obsession for blue, I went for blue, obviously. So this comes somewhat like this, and it's very cute. It smells lavender, which is so amazing. And yeah, it helps. It's actually just keeping my hair sane. That's all that it's been doing. My hair was pretty much damaged from the ends, but now if you can see them, and I know the camera is picking it up really nicely, it's not damaged anymore. I leave my coupon code over here in case you want to go and get your hands on this product. Please use my coupon code, you'll get some additional discounts. Okay, now I've not been getting a lot of time to watch a lot of series, but there is one series that I watched in the last month on and off. That is The Organization by The Home Edit. And if you know who Monica is, and if you are a little inspired from that character, you will love that series. That's like Monica being in Candyland. It's just so amazing. So it's about a company, the Home Edit, which is started by two friends, and they started their organization company via Instagram, and now I think Kylie Jenner, the Kardashians, and all the celebrities of Hollywood, they call them to do their house, to organize their house. And not only those, they actually pick up regular folks as well. So which is pretty amazing. And the way they have organized all of those things, especially the rainbow flavor, it is so good. So I can't insert the clips obviously because I'll get copyrighted, whatever. But yeah, if you've not watched that and if you like the way organization system works, please go ahead and watch that series. Coming to the last part, which is favorite moment of the month, has to be my birthday. If you've not watched the vlog, I'll link it right here. You can please go ahead and watch the vlog. It was the last birthday before marriage, so it was very special at home. My sister and my cousins did everything possible to make my birthday so special, and you really don't want to miss that vlog. It is just super amazing. My fiance also took me out on a date, which was our first, so pretty cool that ways. Yeah, lots of gifts, lots of fun, lots of laughter, lots of cheesecake. So that was a pretty perfect birthday for me. And that brings us to the end of this video. So go ahead, watch the videos that I've linked for you, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, go and purchase the products. All of these are quite affordable, so you can go ahead and purchase them. Until next time, bye bye.